This will be our topic today about what is going on with this severe weather, as well what is going to be referring to what is different parts to get much more stronger, indicated by different things, as well after this intro. Extreme weather over here, we are actually going to show you what is going to beginning for what is the next chance for severe storms, and also what is the chance for this storm will get strong enough. You can kind of see on the K index is like 40K. That means like there's 30% chance that storm is really strong to producing any hail or not. And you can kind of see by the lightning strikes is very good for it as well. But there's lots of flashes. But also on that lightning strikes as well. But there's a lot of cape and atmosphere on the 10th. That's what happening as well. And also there's a lot of look like there's going to be a lot of moisture, which is very good in atmosphere, as well as the dew point around strong around 60 or 70 some region in the atmosphere on the 10th as well. We're going to see other things as well. There's another storm chance, but there's not a lot of show you very could be very strong because of very weak K index. But look like around Colorado region there's a lot of chance. But we can kind of see what is happening because it's very strong cape, but this cape is eventually always changing because on the 8th it will be for long terms is not good measuring, but when we get a little bit closer like day 3 we can get much more better details what is happening on each storm's outcome for it. But some reason it not show dew point, but could be by humidity as well as water vapor. But maybe in 1 hour it does show dew points. Yeah, here's the dew points. Yeah, this is latest dew point. It shows there's a really strong cape and also really strong dew points. But so far as the moisture level, there's not a lot, but it gets very dry because there's not a lot. But it is there's wet and humidity, but as well as the temperature will be like around Fahrenheit, but it's really hot out there on Sunday as well. We'll see about those already. What is coming very soon for all of these next thunderstorms appearing on this series, all of these advancing, because I'm trying to do focus on a lot of different videos about lots of topics, but now I should focus on you guys about what is because of this season, because it's 20th season on the typical this May, because it will be much more higher. But I want to out when there's will be a high risk year 2022. I think there will be one, or who don't know. We already been a lot of moderate risk, but there's not a lot of been a high risk. That's why I want to tell out when it will be that day will be 2022 high risk, but we don't know when. That will be crazy. We do wait until then. We go to see a good storm on this video for this. But this Also, there's about the above or below average temperature because it's just is one things and it could be affecting the others as well because really cooler air the northeast and eventually very cooler the west and it'll try pushing all the way to east but the east will be a little bit longer for a couple days. We'll see there's another chance to be a little bit much more cooler below average temperature on the 15th as well. We'll see what is going on very shortly. While you're thinking the wind shear is a very strong agreement for all of these storms, but there's another why, because the jet stream prepares for all of these winds going upwards. That will bring lots of moisture to rise up and as to bring all of these things combined to get a little bit more stronger or get a little bit more worse because depending on what is each region affecting with the weather forecast as well. This will be my outro.